Hey Armina, I'm sorry for bother you, but this guy is a little bit pain, so we need to make this section uh, as close as his business card or whatever he calls this. So I was thinking, can we do it this way? Can we have, let's say, uh, have this line to draw the line, and everything above should be in a black background. So all of this will look more prominent as on his, as you can see here. Then uh, the other part that is left to be in complete white. So the logo should be more prominent. As you can see, it doesn't read well when you apply the logo. So I also attach you the new logo. Maybe it will look better. It's a larger one and it looks the same as his. And if you can make that logo in this little square, if not, not a problem, just place the logo. So that's great. Keep this also then, keep this as it is. We will say what he is going to say. Make this in black as well. So when you apply the background, keep this black as well, or completely remove it. Yeah, let's do that. Completely removed, say hello. Then for the contact, this red should be black as well. And your name, your email, and the text, and this should be black as well. So those are the changes. My apologies, but let us do this, and hopefully he will go live. Thank you.